Welcome to the InterExcel Tourism Academy, your pathway to a career in the aviation industry. At our academy, we're committed to shaping the future of aviation professionals. Our comprehensive program prepares you for the dynamic world of cabin crew service. You'll receive hands-on training in how to fine dining, onboard experience training such as in-flight hospitality. Our expert instructors will guide you in honing your communication skills, customer service excellence, our instructors teach students how to groom. Our rigorous training ensures our graduates are prepared to handle any situation that may arise, and preparing you for interviews with top airlines. Upon completion, you'll join our proud alumni working with prestigious airlines worldwide. Our graduates emerge not only as certified cabin crew, but as confident professionals ready to embark on a rewarding career in the aviation industry. Your journey to the skies starts here. InterExcel Tourism Academy, your pathway to a career in the aviation industry.